Hi, I'm Manav and I have developed a warehouse management system using ReactJS and Spring Boot. This is the login page. So we can use the username and password to log into the application. So I'm using the administrator ID, login. Once you are successfully logged in, you have the following fields in your left hand side. All these are web pages that contains the components by which you can access the application. So the first one is add a new warehouse into the database. So this can be used to add new addresses and new IDs and warehouses into the database. The city has a drop down list with a list of cities that can be whose values are present in the database. And zone consists of two types. First one is a metro and second one is suburban. So we can choose in between in any of these two. And the capacity ranges from 1 to 1000. So we can enter any integer between 1 to 1000. And finally we have point of contact. The point of contact is nothing but ID that is given that consists of alphanumeric values that can be added into the warehouse details. It must be greater than 3 characters. So let's submit the warehouse. So once all the details are successfully entered, then the warehouse would be submitted. If otherwise there are any errors, then it would throw the validation to throw the errors that are being validated. So if you have a blank sheet and you try to submit a blank warehouse, then it will ask for the address, city, zone, capacity and point of contact. So let's fill each and every one of them. So even if one or two of the fields are missing, it would still show the error, and those that are validated and are true will show a tick mark. So capacity cannot be 0 or negative, so it will throw the particular error. And point of contact must exceed 3 characters, and if it doesn't, then it would show an error. So this is for adding new warehouses. Next one is warehouse list. So this consists of a list of warehouses that are present inside the database. And the second one and the third one is you can find out the warehouse data by city. So of the list of cities, you can select any one city and find the IDs that are present, IDs of the warehouse that are present in the city. So it consists of a drop down list of cities through which you can select and display the IDs. Next is warehouse order by capacity. So all these warehouses are ordered by descending order of their capacity. And next you have warehouse by city. You can type in any of the city name and find the warehouse details that is present in that particular city. So if you don't give any name, then it would show an error. And you can also find out warehouse details by the zone. So for metro, these are the following details, and for suburban, these are the following warehouse details. Next is warehouse with packages. So this provides a list of all warehouses which are having packages that have to be delivered. And warehouse with package, this is a customized left join that has been performed with the warehouse ID and the package ID along with the city. So it displays the warehouse ID and the package ID that is present in the particular warehouse and the location in which it is present. And then you have a warehouse with package count based on cities. So there are totally 3 packages, and you can see that Delhi has 2 package count and Chennai has 1 package count. And you can group the package details by their ID. So you need to enter the package ID. For package ID 1, you have number of items, that is 1. And for package ID 2, you have industrial items and the number of items is also 1. And for package ID 3, you have heavy machines and the number of items is also 1, because we have 3 packages and it is distributed in the following manner. Next is finding packages by delivery date. So you can choose a particular delivery date and find the packages that are delivered. So there are 2 particular packages that have to be delivered after this particular date, whereas if you select the date earlier, it will increase, as there might have been a delivery that has been done on that particular day. And finally, update warehouse details. In this page, you need to enter the warehouse ID of which you have to update. It would fetch all the details. Once it fetches, you can make the necessary changes. And once all the changes have been made, you can click on the warehouse update button. So the warehouse details are changed successfully. And finally, you can log out of the application by clicking on the logout button. This is my application. Thank you.